7 Secrets to Unstoppable Confidence, even if you're faking it at first. Let's be honest, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's not handed out with your morning coffee or inherited like your grandma's cookie recipe. Confidence is built. And more importantly, it's built by doing the right things. So if you've ever felt like your confidence disappears the moment you walk into a room, or you talk yourself out of great ideas before you even start, you're not broken. You're just missing a few pieces of the puzzle. Today, we're breaking down the 7 secrets to unstoppable confidence. Yes, even if your brain likes to throw a self-doubt party every 5 minutes. Let's get into it. 1. Speak to yourself like you'd speak to a friend. Let me guess, you'd never tell your best friend, "Wow, you suck at life." But somehow your inner voice thinks you deserve that kind of talk. One of the most powerful secrets to building real confidence: change that voice. Start by catching your inner critic mid-sentence. When it says, "I can't do this," respond like you would to a friend. "Maybe it's hard, but I'm learning. I've done hard things before." Confidence isn't bravado, it's self-respect. And you can't respect yourself if your internal monologue is just a roast battle every day. 2. Do hard things on purpose. Confidence comes from competence, and competence comes from repetition and challenge. Pick something uncomfortable, small, achievable. Maybe it's waking up 30 minutes earlier, talking to one stranger a day, taking cold showers. You're not doing this for the outcome. You're doing it because doing hard things rewires your brain. It proves to you you can. Confidence isn't the absence of fear. It's moving forward despite it. Every time you face discomfort, you build a stronger version of yourself. 3. The 2-minute mirror rule. This might sound silly, but it works. Every morning, look in the mirror for 2 minutes and say out loud, "I'm proud of you. You're showing up. You're learning. You're enough." Why? Because your brain listens. Speaking positive truths rewires your perception. Over time, those mirror pep talks stop sounding awkward and start sounding like the truth. Self-confidence starts with self-trust, and self-trust starts by hearing yourself say, "You've got this." 4. Stop outsourcing your worth. If your confidence depends on other people's opinions, you're renting your power instead of owning it. Let's be real. Approval addiction is sneaky. It shows up in over-explaining, apologizing for existing, or staying quiet when you want to speak up. But here's the hard truth. Other people's opinions are not your responsibility. Unstoppable confidence comes from internal validation. Set your standards. Define success on your terms. Stop asking the world for permission to believe in yourself. 5. Track the wins, even the tiny ones. Most people have a mental playlist of all the things they've done wrong. But what about the things you've done right? Keep a win list. Seriously, every night write down 3 things you did well. Doesn't matter how small. Did you answer that email you've been avoiding? Win. Show up to the gym even though you felt blah? Win. The more you train your brain to notice progress, the more naturally confidence grows. You're not a failure. You're just focused on the wrong scoreboard. 6. Eliminate the comparison trap. Scrolling social media, a playground for self-doubt. Everyone's highlight reel makes your behind the scenes look like a disaster. But here's the twist. Nobody's life is perfect. They just have good lighting and better filters. Comparison robs you of joy and confidence. So next time you catch yourself spiraling, ask, "What am I learning from this?" Or better yet, log off. Real growth happens offline. Confidence blooms in silence, not in the noisy validation loops of social media. 7. Build a confidence bank. Think of your confidence like a bank account. Every action, thought, and win is a deposit. Every lie you tell yourself, every time you ghost your goals, that's a withdrawal. Want to be unstoppable? Make more deposits than withdrawals. Show up consistently. Keep your promises, even the small ones. Speak with intention. Walk with purpose. And over time, your balance will grow. Unstoppable confidence isn't magic, it's math. Here's the truth. Confidence isn't about being loud. It's not about having all the answers or being the best in the room. It's about showing up again and again. It's about looking at yourself and saying, I don't have it all figured out, but I trust myself enough to keep going. And that trust, that's where the magic lives. So if you've ever wondered how to become that bold, fearless version of you, the one who speaks up, takes the leap, and walks into any room like they belong, remember, it's not a fantasy. It's a practice. And today, you just unlocked the 7 surprising habits that lead straight to it. Now go make some deposits into your confidence bank. You've got this.